वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सकवेशन के कुछ क्वेश्चन। ये क्वेश्चन आपके CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। An SI engine sometimes continues to run for a very small period even after the ignition is switched off. This phenomenon is called A. Throttling, B. Idling, C. Dieseling, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Dieseling. The number of holes in a multi-hole nozzle varies from dash A 4 to 8, B 4 to 18, C 4 to 12, D none of the mentioned. Answer is B 4 to 18. Which of the following factors affecting combustion in the IC engine? A. Intake temperature, B. Jacket water temperature, C. Compression ratio, D. All of the mentioned. Answer is C. Compression ratio. Blow-by losses are reduced as the engine speed is dash A. Reduced, B. Unpredictable, C. Increased, D. None of the mentioned. Answer is C. Increased. Which of the following is the outlet cooling water temperature for small engines? A. 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, B. 80 degrees Celsius, C. About 50 degrees Celsius, D. None of the above. Answer is B. 80 degrees Celsius. The weight per BP of air-cooled engine is dash than that of water-cooled engine. A. Less, B. Unpredictable, C. Greater, D. None of the mentioned. Answer is A. Less. The mechanical friction dash which increases in speed. A. Reduce, B. Unpredictable, C. Increases, D. None of the mentioned. Answer is C. Increases. For which of the following engines a Prony brake is used to measure brake power? A. Low speed engine, B. Variable speed engine, C. Single cylinder engine, D. Low power engine. Answer is B. Variable speed engine. The ignition timing and thermal load on the engine affect the knock limit of dash engine. A. CI, B. SI, C. Both SI and CI, D. None of the mentioned. Answer is B. SI. What is gear backlash? A. The hardness of the gear material, B. The clearance or play between meshing gear teeth, C. The total run out of a gear during rotation, D. The thickness of a single gear tooth. Answer is B. The clearance or play between meshing gear teeth. Pinion having 24 teeth, drive a gear having 72 teeth. The profile of a gear is involute with 20-degree pressure angle, 12 mm module and 12 mm addendum. Find the contact ratio. A 2.7, B 2.6, C 1.6, D 1.7. Answer is D 1.7. In rack and pinion gear, the rack is a dash and the pinion is a dash. A. Straight line gear, straight line gear. B. Straight line gear, circular wheel. C. Circular wheel, straight line gear. D. Circular wheel, circular wheel. Answer is B. Straight line gear, circular wheel. Undercut of a gear tooth can be avoided by A. Decreasing the pressure angle, B. Improving the heat treatment, C. Using a smaller rack angle for the cutter, D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. In a certain gear train, the driver has 24 teeth while the follower has 8 teeth. For every dash turn of the driver, the follower turns 36 times. A. 9, B. 12, C. 10, D. 4. Answer is B. 12. The following profiles of gear satisfy the law of gearing. A. Conjugate profiles of mating teeth, B. Involute profile of mating teeth, C. Siloidal profiles of mating teeth, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above.